everyone, it's Valerie here, so welcome back to my channel. So literally I'm at the gym right now. I just worked out and I have my internship right after, so I'm getting changed and doing my makeup. Literally my shirt got wrinkled in the process, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tuck it in. And honestly right now I don't feel good, so I'm wearing leggings for a specific reason. If you guys know, then you know why I'm wearing leggings. So this is my outfit for today. I have this green shirt that I got from Marshall's, this gray sweater that Anne got from me from Burlington. My boots are from Just Fab. Jen got them for me, and then these leggings are just from Burlington. So this is my outfit, super cute and super comfortable, nothing too crazy because I'm not really feeling that hot. So this is presentable, but at the same time it's comfortable, you know what I mean? But I seriously think I might tuck in the green shirt. Let's see how that looks. Long day, you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Tired?
Yep.
You can't even tell that it's wrinkled. Magic. All right, so I'm gonna do my makeup and I don't really have that much time, but let's go. Alright guys, all done. Face beat, light beat. Face lightly beaded. Yeah, this is my makeup bag, guys. It has my life in here and my brushes, and this is, oh my god, I got my sweater dirty. Oh my god, whatever. This is it, we're done. So I wiped it off. So I'm in my car right now. I'm heading to Dunkin' Donuts right now. Literally from Dunkin', I think I have like $10 on my bank account. $10 on my bank account. I am so broke. I'm so broke, it's so sad. I'm parked, guys, no worries. I would not drive and do this. That would not be legal or sane, or my mom would whoop my ass. But I'm heading to Dunkin', then I'm gonna go to my internship. I don't know what I'm getting from Dunkin' yet, but I have to make up my mind. But it shouldn't be that hard because I only have $10. So let's get moving. Alright, so I'm at Dunkin' Donuts right now. I feel like I'm super early. It's 11:44. I'm like literally 3 minutes away from my internship. I got here super quickly is what I'm trying to say. But it's like now, maybe I can just go in and settle down. But as soon as you settle down at that internship, they try to give you something to do. It's like, no, I start working at 12, leave me alone. But if I start working early, I leave early, so yeah. Thank you, have a nice day. All right guys, so I just made it to my internship safely, thank you God. I don't know, like, what else am I supposed to do? Like, if I can, I'll show you guys around a little bit, not really, just the interns. You guys have seen Tiana before and also Jennifer before, but we call her Jen. And so from Dunkin', I got a bagel and cream cheese, and I also got a chocolate chip muffin because I'm craving chocolate right now. So instead of having a donut, I figured just get a muffin, but I think I was better off with a donut. But I want it to be different, and I really like chocolate chip muffins, but I really like mine toasted. You guys need to start warming up your muffins. Like, not those muffins, but the muffins. They're so good. So all right guys, so I am all packed up, laptop, Dunkin', everything, so I'm gonna start heading there right now. So see you guys soon. Jen's coming. Hi T. Shawty looking bad. Do a little twirl. Show us the outfit. Ooh. Look at Tiana's outfit, guys. White pants, red shirt, booties. Look, wait guys, you guys have to see her earrings. Look at her earrings and the nails. They have to get them done. My God, angelic. Look at that. Jen, you look cute too. Turn around, let's see. Look at her sweater, like it's so comfy. Yes, I love it. Oh, yeah. Wait, today's Tiana's last day. Let's give her a virtual hug. All right, guys, so officially done my internship. It's like 4 on the dot. I'm so tired and I'm so happy. I just want to go home right now. I'm probably gonna end up cooking something. Jen's leaving too. Hi. And yeah, I have 2 10-page papers to write tonight, guys. Well, not tonight, but to write by next week, next Monday to be exact. So I got my work cut out for me, and I still have my stats homework to do. But what I'm gonna do is take it one step at a time and not get too stressed out, because I already had a stress migraine earlier. So just gonna calm down, do what I can, let God take the wheel, and that's it, you know? So that's basically my vlog. I don't know if I'm doing anything else today, but if I don't do anything else, bye guys. Hey guys, so I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm going to be continuing the vlog. So literally I got home maybe like 30 minutes ago and I was really hungry, and I just had a chewy bar to hold me over, but I decided to cook. Anne needs to do grocery shopping this week because it's her turn. So literally I'm just cooking something up with whatever we have in the house. I want to make this thing called blé. I don't know how to say it in English, but I don't have all of the items and materials that I need, like the produce that I need, but I'm working with what I got, because you know that's what we do. So let's get cooking. So this is the blé that I was talking about. It's bulgur wheat, I guess. I'm gonna cook this. You basically cook this as if it were rice, but I have a leftover. I'm gonna use the leftover one first and then use the new one. So basically I already cut up all of my produce. So I have garlic underneath. I have ipis, I have peppers, I have onions, and I have this thing, I don't know what it's called, but it's like the green. I have leeks in here. And then I also have half a cube of Maggi in there, and then I just poured oil. So I don't have tomatoes, so I'm gonna use tomato and basil pasta sauce. Over here I have my shrimp that I need to mix up. That's the seasoning. And then I usually make the blé with green beans, like the frozen green peas, but we ran out and I don't feel like going out. It's pitch black outside. I'm gonna use these black beans in a can. I'm not sure if it's gonna work, guys, because you're supposed to use the frozen green peas. So let's get cooking. I'm gonna go ahead and wash the top of this with soap and water. You have to wash the top of your pans, guys. I hope you guys know that. All right, so I added the black beans, but I feel like this was a mistake, but I guess we'll see. YOLO. This looks so weird. I've never done it with black beans before. I'm gonna do 3.5 cups of water. So this is what we're looking at, 3.5 cups of water. Now the shrimp is in there, the beans are in there. I'm gonna let this boil for a little bit, and then I'm gonna add the blé into it, the grain stuff. So now that we added a whole bunch of water, the taste kind of disseminated. So we're gonna add more seasoning to make it to bring the taste back. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So now our pot is nicely well and seasoned. So I'm just gonna wait till this boils up all the way so I can add the blé to it. So my blé is in here and it's just looking like this. I'm not sure if I might need more water in here, but I'm gonna cover this up, let this boil. This may take anywhere from 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm done.